How to transfer contacts from Samsung to iPhone. This tutorial shows you how to move all your contacts using your Google account on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung Android device. After that, tap on Accounts and Backup to open the backup settings. From there, tap on Manage Accounts and select your Google account from the list. At this point, tap on Sync Account to open the sync settings. In the next step, make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on. Following this, tap on Sync Now to force an immediate sync of all your contacts to your Google account once done. Once done, pick up your iPhone and open the Settings app. From here, scroll down and tap on Contacts. At this stage, tap on Accounts and then tap on Add Account. After this, select Google from the list of account types and sign in with the same Google account you used on your Samsung device. Finally, make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on and your contacts will automatically sync and appear on your iPhone within a few seconds. And that's it. If this guide helped you transfer your contacts from Samsung to iPhone, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the new one.